for years people have wondered how it's done. You know, it's no easy task to deliver gifts to every child around the world.
Take one.
How do I look? Do I look good? Yeah. Well, thanks for coming to see me up at the North Pole. I know it was a long trip. My name is Kris Kringle, but you can call me Santa Claus. You know, reindeer wrangler, master gift giver, cookie lover extraordinaire. Don't tell Mrs. Claus that I was eating these. Delivering gifts to the entire world, accurately, safely, and on time, is one of the most complex logistical challenges of all time. Even I can't do this alone. The elves are terrific, but Hexagon is the real magic. Quality control is a serious business when you're putting joy in a box. Hexagon's measurement technologies help check every part to make sure that every toy is built just right. While the elves are busy, I prepare for my journey. I review a digital twin of the world I created with Hexagon's reality capture solutions, mapping rooftops, optimizing routes, guaranteeing zero missed chimneys. In the sky, the sleigh runs on more than Christmas magic. I can even monitor the reindeer to make sure they stay alert. With every child depending on me, there's no room for error. Frankly, I couldn't do it without Hexagon. I've got a lot of expectations, a lot of pressure, and millions of cookies to get through. When it has to be right, it has to be Hexagon.